In this video today, we're probably going to do one of the most dullest unboxings I've ever done. So maybe give it a thumbs up now because, well, you probably wouldn't give it one after I finish. So anyway, let's get on with it. Roll titles! Hello, I'm Kit from kitpakes.tv and yeah, I didn't really sell this video very well at the start, but it's alright, I guess. So bear with me, I've just got to go and pick up what I'm unboxing. It's down here on the floor and it is very, very heavy. This is the heavy base. It's a heavy base from Elgato. What is a heavy base, you're wondering? Well, let me explain, but I think I'm going to put this down first. One moment, please. So the heavy base is an accessory for the Elgato multi-mount. And basically, if you remember from my Elgato multi-mount video, I'll stick a link to it up there, yeah? It is a clamp that fits onto the side of your desk or table, and you can mount things like cameras and lights from it, and that's what I use to make my unboxing videos. But if you want to use it as a floor standing device, or you don't want to clamp it to the desk, you need this heavy base for it. So essentially it is what it says on the tin. It is just a heavy base for the Elgato multi-mount. How much did Elgato charge you for a heavy base? About 30 quid. I'm not sure how much that is in dollars. You can work it out. Dollars always changes. So yeah, it's not the cheapest thing like anything from Elgato. There's always the sort of Elgato tax on top of it. But I do find Elgato products very high quality and very good. And yeah, so we'll now head over to the table and get that very heavy chunky boy out of the box and see what's in there. Okay, so let's get it unboxed. Now it will come as no surprise that this is heavy. I think it's around about 5 kilograms. There we go. So let's have a little look. So we've got the little guide here on how to install it. Mustn't over tighten, and you must ensure that the product is stable and the load not too heavy. There we go. What does this say? There we go. This base is built like a tank. Handle with caution. Okay, we will take heed of that warning. So just got some cardboard packaging. Now let's see if it is built like it really is built like a tank. That is very heavy. Move that out of the way. Goodness me. Oh. It certainly doesn't lie. That is very heavy for such a small item, really. Let's see if we can get it open. Here we go. Oh, my words. It really does do what it says on the tin. It is a heavy base. And included in the kit is these. So these are some Allen keys and screws to screw the Elgato multi-mount into the base. So why would you want one of these? Well, it's handy if you use the Elgato multi-mount, which I do. The camera is actually being held up by one of these at the moment. And you want to put the multi-mount down on the floor. you can do that, because the multi-mount as standard comes with a clamp to put it on a table or a desk. If you wanted to put it on the floor, then this is what you need to do that. So we have got my multi-mount here. See, we need to unscrew these guys down here. So I mean, yeah, basically this base without the multi-mount kit is just, well, a very heavy piece of metal. Now it seems you reuse the big middle screw and you get two slightly different smaller screws. So we'll bear that in mind. Oh yeah, because the ones that come out are actually quite stubby. So that is the standard clamp removed. And then the idea is you basically put that on there like that. So let's do that. Right, make sure I've got all the screws to hand. It's going to be a bit tricky. There we go. So I guess we'll do the middle big screw first.
Excellent.
Start getting those little screws in. Now I'd probably say tighten up two small screws first. Bring that down, there we go. Makes it a bit easier to see. So now we have got this on a nice sturdy base. It's rubberized at the bottom as well, so it won't scuff up a floor. And yeah, that's pretty much there is to it now. So you can then build up on the multi-mount and put something on it like a camera or a light. Yeah, let's put a camera or a light on this right now. So here it is, I'm back from the table with it, and this is the Elgato heavy base with the Elgato multi-mount and my camera mounted on the top. So yeah, that's what it does, and the Elgato multi-mount extends, I think, up to 125 centimeters if I remember correctly. So this is sort of makes it a good height if you're doing a sit-down filming video and you need your camera at your sort of head height when you're sitting down, or to put a light on. And remember, you can get the flex arm kits and the strong arms that come out, and you can attach additional accessories to it. Now they do warn that you've got to be very careful when you use the flex arm kits on this, that you don't overbalance it, because this is very heavy. But if you've got a very heavy camera hanging off at a very long angle, then it will tip. So yeah, there's not much to it, but put that down. In typical Elgato style, it's expensive, but it's of good quality, and I think that it will be very useful for me in making videos, especially when I film stuff at the table. It always just seems such a faff to get my tripod out, but that's just sort of boom, done there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using it a bit more. I do really love the Elgato products for mounting. They just work so nicely and they're super helpful. And I think ever since I've been using them to film my videos and my unboxing videos, they've just come on leaps and bounds, because you can really get your camera nice and high up in the air and film with it. So yeah, that's it. I mean, it's not the longest unboxing video I've ever done. It's not the best unboxing video I've ever done. It's simply a video, but it is what it is at the moment. So before I disappear, don't forget, you can follow me on any socials. All the links are down there, not on my penis. They're in the description. And also I've got a Discord, you can join that as well. The link's down there. And if you want to buy some kiphakes.tv merch, then I've got a merch store. It's merch.kitpakes.tv, and the address for it is there. There it is, merch.kitpakes.tv. And of course you can join this channel or my Patreon, or just buy me a coffee at Ko-Fi. All the links and stuff are, once again, on the old chap. Anyway, that's about it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wow. And I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!